Hey there, Mandy Shirley, back again with some more fun. It's a winter wonderland here today. Christmas is over. I'm over winter. I'm over snow. So I'm going to do a lake page today. One of my favorite techniques is welding. So when you have that special piece of paper that you like both sides of and you want to see both sides of, this is perfect for that. Or if you just have some scraps and you need to build a page to work on or work with, this is perfect for that. So I'm going to be showing you some welding. We're going to be using Serene Waters, and I hope you like it. Like I said, I'm going to be using Serene Waters. I feel like I wish I was at the lake today. I have this piece of paper, which I love. Love, love, love this piece of paper. And I want it to be my base, but obviously, if you put it on your 13-inch mat, it is not the right size. So, I'm gonna add some paper to it. I have this that I already made. This is the Waves Border Maker cartridge, and then I tore some paper and cut with the Wave blade on my trimmer. Added a mat and some embellishments. And I want that to go on the bottom. So you see my problem here. We have quite an issue of missing paper. So I was thinking that I might be able to use this, which it looks like that will work. And then also the top of this, it was cut with a decorative blade. So I need to cut that straight. And then I'll have to cut this. And I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut it at about 1, 2, 3.5-ish. We'll do 4 inches. So let's do that first. Like I said, I'm just using up some scraps. I love this paper. I want to use it in my book. I'm gonna cut this decorative edge off because I'm not gonna want that. And then I'm gonna cut this at 4 inches. And yes, I cut a circle out of it, but that's fine. And I do want this torn edge, so I'm just gonna put it maybe like that. Let's see how this works. Let's see if I can get it to work. So I'm just lining it up on my mat. Yes, we have this hole here, but we're gonna cover that up with my border I had pre-made. So that's what we're looking at. Ooh. And it doesn't quite work. I can still see the hole there, but guess what? We can cover that with a photo mat or another embellishment or whatever. So I'm just gonna put this together now. So what you do is you flip your sheets over, and you can do this with any size paper, right? As long as it's just 2 pieces of paper that you want to make into one, basically. So what I'm gonna do is get some tape. And I call this taping down the crack. And usually you're welding, so there's 2 pieces touching. This one has a little overlap because of that tear, but I'm just gonna leave it. You see what I'm saying? So normally what you do is you'll put 2 pieces together and then tape down the crack and then put a piece of paper there. We have a little bit of overlap, which is not the norm for welding. And then I have a little scrap of black that I'm just going to use, a little 1-inch piece that will be perfect to weld this together. Make sense? So now I have a 12-inch piece of paper. And then we're gonna tape this guy down. This was really fun to make. I did a class where we just used the mats and made fun things with the mats. I love the mat packs. it takes a lot of the guesswork out because it all matches. So you can't even hardly tell that there's a little hole there. I do have this, but I think it's a little unnecessary actually. And then for photo mats, I don't even know if I want photo mats on this guy. This guy's gonna have to get scooted over a little, or I could just trim it. I'll just trim that off. What do you think? So quick and easy, right? So let's weld one more time just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's see. Find two pieces of paper I really want next to each other. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so this piece is we're just gonna cut it to 10 inches, just to show you guys what I'm talking about. This will be a great picture, or great page for my lake pictures. And then what do we have left? 2 inches to make a 12-inch page. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's cut another welding strip from our scrap here. And you can use anything for a welding strip. I just happen to have some black cardstock. Okay, I love this together like this. So I'm just gonna line this up on my 13-inch mat. We're making a 12-inch piece of paper out of scraps. And then I'm going to tape down, I call it down the crack, and then apply my welding strip. And now I have a 12-inch piece of paper to work with. And I love this, so I'm gonna put this on here because it'll be perfect. Again, if you want more information on the class I took about the mats, so cute. I do want some photo mats on here, I think. Let's see if I can find something that matches my photo mat. The closest I have is this. And I think I'll just do a couple 4x4s and call it good. Pretty simple video today. I just wanted to show you that welding technique, and I wanted to play with some fun paper for this wintry day. I think that looks great. So go find some scraps, build you some welded pages. Love using up scraps. So this page is another example. Like, I love this side, but I also like this side. I just used it. So you would just flip it over. Or this is another good example. I love this side, but I also love the net. So you could just use both. Let me see another example. Oh, here's a water one, but the other side's really fun too. So if you want to see both sides of the paper on your page, but you don't want to use two pieces of paper, you can just do some welding. So cool, right? I am ready for summer. Like I said, Christmas is over. I'm done with winter. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when I have a new video out. If you don't already have an advisor, please pick me. And don't forget to head over to Facebook, check out my page at the Un-Crafty Crafter, and see my schedule of events. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great wintry day.